no more money making courses for me. Alright guys, a couple videos ago I talked about an opportunity that I'm doing right now to try to build a $10,000 a month business. Super excited about it. I'm pretty much all set up with everything, ready to go, ready to push. And with that being said, I'm pretty much done, at least for a long time, with money making courses. I'll probably do some reviews here and there for my subscribers and stuff like that. But far as what I'm actually doing is trying to hit that $10,000 a month recurring income. That's where I'm at. And like I said in the video before, if you want to join me, if you want to take this journey with me, link in the description. You can check out the program for yourself and you could jump in if you want. One cool thing about it, if you do decide to do the business with me, you have full access to me. And like I say, I'm doing it right now, so I'll be able to help you out. And you have somebody to actually, walk you through everything and help you get started, because there's people helping me getting started. But yeah, like I'm to the point where I just feel like if this business, what I'm doing, my voice raspy because I just got done teaching the class, but like I feel like 1,000,000%, like if this business, what I'm doing right now, can't get me 6 figures a year, I honestly feel like nothing can or nothing will. So I'm going hard with this, and I'm actually going to be documenting, shooting videos talking about the steps in my progression and things that I'm doing to help me reach this goal. So I'm super excited about it. But as far as all these other courses that always come out, brand new systems and programs, I'm done with that. So this is what I'm doing. I'm excited because I'm gonna hit the damn goal. It's going down, right? And I'll be doing more videos on the system and program, everything I'm doing. But if you want to check it out for yourself, or if you have any questions, you can shoot them to me. I try to hit you up as soon as I can. But like I said, link in the description. You have the opportunity to actually get on with the program, sign up for a live webinar, or you can even schedule a live call with one of the co-founders. So whatever you want to do, I can help you out. But even if you don't want to do it, you can still follow my journey, because I'm getting the 6 figures a year, 10 grand a month. That's the goal. Let's get it. All right. Till the next time. Hey.